government property. They tased the child while it was on the
No,
floor
I'm just looking because I can't see the part where you guys stole stuff out of a car, and maybe I'm missing it. I can only see when.
That was much earlier.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
it was much earlier in the recording. It was
Okay,
way near the step.
All right, hold on,
I'm gonna add the timer in the description now. Okay.
But yeah, no, I 100% understand what you're saying. Kids should not be tased. How old are you?
I was 12. I don't know how old my brother is.
7.5.
7. Okay, so a 7-year-old boy and a 12-year-old girl. Was a boy tased?
No.
No. Okay.
They were ready
so
to
the girl
tase me,
was
though.
tased excessively. Okay.
Yeah.
So.
The boy was hit by a vehicle. Let's remember that.
He.
Yep.
What?
Yes, the boy was hit by a vehicle.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
When was he hit by a vehicle?
It was on Joshua.
Yeah.
I was at the other incident actually, and I saw it happen.
Was he struck with a vehicle, like to get him to stop running, or was he like accidentally tapped with the vehicle?
I don't know.
He was on his bike when it happened, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so Jesus Christ, cops
I saw that. I was like,
kids'
whoa.
lives like that. Holy fuck.
Well, I think I have all the evidence I need. I'm gonna go start building the case. Give me about 5 minutes, and I'll get everything sorted.
But
if you want to come with me, we can. You know.
Yes. Yep. More than happy. Okay, kiddos, wait for us. We'll be back shortly.
I'm saying we definitely did wrong, but they definitely went overboard.
Yep.
Oh, you actually ragdolled it too. I just saw you get hit.
Yeah, the thing is, I did ragdoll because I got hit, and they didn't even treat me. So I was like, okay. So I got out.
Like, I could also understand if they didn't really care if like you kept moving, but you actually RP'd it, so that was it. You got hit. They hit you on a car, on a bike.
They could have never caught me if I would be running. But the thing is, I RP'd it out because I'm a child. I got hurt. That's why.
Oh, perfect! I got when they tased me.
Okay, I added the timing. If you want to go ahead and check that out, you can.
Damn. I wish you had spectated the whole time.
I know, I know. Oh, I do mistakes too. Hey, the thing is, first time when I saw you getting tased, I was like, what are they doing? And that's why I was like, I stopped spectating and I was like, I wanna be there, you know? But then, yeah, I just thought they are coming after me, so yeah. I should have waited and spectated you continuously, to be honest. That was my bad. I'm sorry again.
It was pretty fucking hilarious, this picture, though. He's literally, they rolled right by me and fucking tased me while I was driving my bike. You saw the whole thing. It was perfect.
Yeah. I haven't meant to EMS person, so you know, he helps us, but he couldn't. He didn't help us. Hey, I was thinking, what should I name the video?
Excessive use of force against children. Oh man, the titles that you have, like, if people just Google these things, like, they're gonna find your videos. That's so funny.
Excessive lethal force against children.
No,
Right?
not lethal, just excessive use of force.
Use of force.
Right, we're ready. Are you guys good to go?
Endangerment of a child, probably, as well. Yep. If you guys have Discord, I can send you some pretty funny pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not lethal. Noxides and Newfie, what's your Discords?
Well, it's pretty much my username, but it's all lowercase Nuvi Sniper 28 number 8306.
Here, I'll ping.
I'm trying to
Okay,
find
and
a group.
Noxides?
I just pinged you in main chat.
You pinged me!
I did.
Okay, I have just received a text of some of our evidence.
Yes, that was me driving, while driving my bike, getting tased without, pointing any weapons or anything. Yeah.
Okay,
And
just so
then
that
the
the
second, there was
court.
2 tases there. I got
Gotcha.
tased a total of 5 times.
Jesus.
That's a
Okay.
bit excessive. So just so that the court can understand, instead of saying driving your bicycle, we're gonna say pedaling from now on, okay? Because within a courtroom, we do have to be formal, and we got to make sure that every word that we say is up to code.
Thank you, mister.
Hey, they are against us. She's against
No,
us.
they're just advising us.
No,
Oh,
no, we're not.
I like your shoes, miss.
Thank you.
We're not against you guys.
My new shoes are in. Aren't they nice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just to clarify, we're defending the kids, and the police is doing their own thing, right?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
do believe the prosecution attorneys are inside of the courthouse as of right now. Hey, can we get these kids inside? It's pretty cold out here.
Yeah,
Ooh,
Yeah.
I could do a like a court officer or something then.
Philip and Tony, would you also like to see the pictures?
I was watching the video. That stuff is funny, dude.
Okay. Yeah.
They-
Do you want me
I
to send it
saw-
to you
they're
anyway?
like-
What's your Discord
yeah.
name?
Mine's Henry Tit 1UP. But yeah, I saw the video. They like drove alongside you and they're all pointing tasers at you.
Yeah, exactly. It was pretty funny.
Hey, court officer, would you like to maintain the front desk momentarily? Because you're gonna have to seize 2 of my firearms here, and I don't know.
All right, yeah, I'll RP. I'll do a court officer. Is there like a? I guess I could just do a sheriff outfit. You know, like technically a sheriff's usually court officers, so.
Well, yeah. Usually they're court marshals, and they're just normal like police. But yeah, sheriffs, anything
I'll
like that.
do this outfit
depending
and
on
I'll
the
just take the hat.
Yeah, sounds good.
We also need a judge and jury, by the way. So yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ! That's right, we do. I forgot all about that. So we have defense attorneys, prosecution attorneys. We have 1 court officer, 2 children.
Oh, damn, it's gonna get a little wet.
Yep.
Oh hell no! I can't be within 50
freezing.
feet of children.
All right.
That's problem. I can't be near children.
Well, supposed to
I'm-
be you.
You're going
I'm
down.
a convicted.
All right, cool. Let me get over
I got
here.
someone I have a court case with.
I can't be near the child. I'm not legally allowed to be near children.
I
Oh, I
walk
placed
in
that
here
like
as a court-
perfectly.
as a
Can't even
judge
see
in
it.
Yes.
Can you place
however,
another arc
Lord,
on this
his
one
court
right here?
cannot be
I
right
need
now
to. I need to be with my
Why
attorney.
not?
because we are. There's going to be an active court case involving these children here.
Well, it's not happening right now, isn't it? No.
It is happening right now.
Well,
With the
why y'all
court case
standing here?
involving me.
Why? Because we are getting
Yep.
ready
Hold
for
on.
it.
He's involved
Hello,
too.
sir. Does he have any firearms on his person?
No.
No, I got. Oh, he got my phone.
All right, put all your personal belongings in here. I'm gonna wind you down.
He
I
got
Definitely
got
took
all
my
his
weapons off.
Setting up the alarm here.
Which
So,
item is
Sit
it?
behind me.
You take
Slash
you guys don't have
setup
any
space
vehicle
arc.
issues.
Slash
He
arc
got
space
his
setup,
phone,
excuse
then
me.
He got my phone. No, he got
you say, mister?
three.
Do you
Yeah,
have
all
any
of his
metal, like any,
belongings
anything
inside my
metal on
truck.
you?
No,
I don't
sir.
May
know
that
if
be any
Judge is
hair-
up in his
like,
chambers or not,
hairpins,
but
any
No,
You got
sir.
a funny face, mister.
Okay.
Move forward just a tiny
You got a
bit.
real funny
You can
face.
copy paste it if you already typed it. What'd you say, miss?
You look
For
like a
anything you
cartoon
guys have
character.
told us, anything we need to be ready for?
Nope. We
Alright,
admitted everything that we did that was bad. We took stuff from the police car that was abandoned. We put down the spike strips because we were scared when they were chasing us. And that's everything bad that we did. I mean, I guess you could say we ran too, but they were chasing us like a bunch of Terminators.
Okay, stop talking.
On in there.
Okay,
When we're in the courtroom,
Deputy, I am carrying 2 concealed
I am
weapons.
he's allowed
so
to ask
we'll
any
go off.
questions
Alright,
apart from us.
I'm gonna take him off your person.
Okay.
And I'm
I
gonna
won't say
secure
a
the
word
lockbox
unless you
here.
tell me to.
And don't admit
Yep.
to anything.
Can I step
okay?
through?
Don't what?
Let me take
Don't admit to
the
anything.
firearms
Okay.
first. I'll put them in the lockbox, and then we'll check if you anything else.
Sure, if you would like to get a lockbox, I'll get them for you here.
Alright.
One's on my back side.
Yeah, it spawns like right on top of you.
Is
He
this probably
pushed you a
what I
little
could use, I
bit.
guess?
She pushed you a little bit.
Yeah, and just lock it in the locker.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
go.
go run over here.
If you go like right into the middle of the tiling, like the center of that one, it'll be like almost perfect. If you're like right before it, it'll be great. One more forward, because it appears just above your head.
Alright, sir. Place your firearm
Not near it.
or firearm.
If you move in first person, it'll be really easy.
I'll just
Okay, there's that one there. It's already unloaded, cleared.
Alright.
This is good enough.
Nice suitcase, mister.
There is my 30. Thank you. Well, this is my briefcase containing all of my important files.
Including the pictures of my brother getting run over.
I
Hey, send me pictures too. I didn't see
I mean,
them.
if I get egg whites and egg
Right,
yolks
like I said, kids,
together,
don't admit to anything.
sober me
Don't
up,
answer any questions you don't know.
all
If
good
you
enough.
need advice from us, if they ask you questions and you need advice from us, just ask one of us and we will tell you what to say, okay?
Okay.
Surgery duty. Sorry, I'm
All right,
late.
sir, you're free to step.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Well,
Those
Yep,
things
still
but,
got any metal on you?
well, I mean, my case, that's probably just about it. I can't open that, but I can inform you that there are no weapons inside my case. It's probably just the metal buckles and the inlays.
You can't open it, you said?
Well, I
Oh,
mean, there are sensitive,
I
well,
always
case
make
sensitive
these
documents
buildings
inside,
way
so
too
I would
big.
prefer not to, but if you need to look inside just to make sure, I can allow
Yeah,
you
just
to
pop
do
it
so.
over real quick. Let me just look. I'm not gonna look at anything
They got
sensitive. Just
weird
I'll do a plain view look at it.
I was with
I sent you the pictures. They're in screenshot games.
Your social?
Oh, okay.
my social.
I just took some more of you getting hit, so I'll post them right now.
It's 852.
All right, I'm also gonna just wind you down here real quick as well.
Remember it off
Sure,
by
sounds
heart.
good.
My parole officer always asked me for it. Don't know why.
You up?
Yeah,
Doug Dividone, what's up?
They just don't like dealing with me, I guess.
If anybody wants to come through, I can get some people going in
down.
here too.
Sit down.
Sorry, having problems with the
All right, sir. Everything looks like you're good. You can head into the courtroom.
Okay, perfect.
All right, kids, go ahead.
Follow me, man.
Okay.
Okay, you think
Hey,
you can
sis, come in.
come here.
Hey,
All right,
come in.
young lady, you can step
put your
through.
hands out for me.
Oh yeah.
Man, you
Okay,
can
I'm
step
just gonna
through.
do a quick pat down, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
I have
Follow us, kids.
nothing on me.
It's okay, they don't need to search you. You're good. Let's go.
Okay, you're good to go now.
All right. Thank you, sir.
We're gonna be here for a while.
How's it
it
going,
looks like.
Mr. Dividone?
Okay. So, kids, we're gonna get you to sit down here, okay, in both of these chairs. You're gonna have to remain quiet, okay, and we're gonna whisper to you.
What is there a? Why is there a hobo in here?
Seriously, that don't take 3 hours.
Okay, yeah, you take this. I'll go to
Oh, damn, deputy, are you the one getting
Are we gonna sit on the same chair, or should I spawn an extra chair?
Start off with, I
No,
think
that's
our
fine.
best
I'll just
bet
stand.
to get
I can't see
the
anyways
judge to
if I
side with
sit.
us
If you need any support, I'm here for you.
for both kids.
Yeah, for sure. And if you would like to do the opening statement, I will add on anything that I see fit.
Would you like something to drink?
You're going down.
Probably sold me up.
You're going
So may I
down.
ask you to
Stupid
please
kid.
return to your side?
Or what?
Because I'm an attorney and you are currently harassing my client, and I will motion to
You're a
have
fake
this
attorney. I
court.
want to hear it.
I could care less. I will motion to have you held in contempt.
Have you held a contempt?
Contempt. Oh.
You can't hold me in contempt. You are harassing my clients.
You're harassing me.
Stop
I'm
harassing
not
them.
harassing you, sir. You are on the side.
He's
You're
going
stepping
crazy
up in
here
my
too.
face. Please back up.
You back up.
You're stepping up on me, deputy.
Hi.
Deputy,
Hi.
deputy, why don't
Hi.
you go sit down in your seat, all right?
Deputy, you are very close.
ourselves.
I need you to please step back. I have not done anything to you. I've asked you simply to not harass my clients.
Hi.
And now you are getting very intrusive into my personal space. Okay, that's fine. I'll motion to have him held in contempt.
And obstruction of government property.
He's not gonna hurt you.
Deputy, for your sake, I would just go sit
What did you
down.
say?
I need you to please go sit down.
I'm getting security.
Yes, please.
Call him. I'm the law.
Also,
Security?
I think we should,
That's the attitude. I'm the law. There it
Sorry?
is.
He's
I think-
crazy.
I think you being the law is what got you in court, man.
Sorry, I can't hear you. These guys.
I think he's unfit to be a police officer. We should also argue that.
Yes, absolutely.
You know, hey, if you need an expert witness on your side, I'd hope to be one.
Yes.
Would you be willing to be called up as a witness to oppose
Yeah,
to what
I
just
would.
happened?
I would, because people like that don't deserve to wear a badge, man.
Okay.
Just go and sit
Thank you
over
very
there.
much. You can take a seat here behind us if you want.
That's the judge.
Someone tap dancing upstairs. I keep
The name is Officer Deputy Farva.
Yeah, the one sitting down in the chair right
Deputy Father. Okay.
over here.
Ooh, can you let me out of the cuffs so I can do some tap dancing?
Sir, I understand you're
Can you back up?
harassing some of
Mr.
the
Mr. Dimmadome, yeah, he's harassing him.
Judge.
people on trial here, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to refrain from doing that any further. I'm about to move you from the courtroom. You understand?
Back up.
He's the court marshal.
Down, corporal.
Just saying.
Can you back up out of my face, please?
Deputy.
Harassing witnesses is
court
not
martial.
accepted in the courtroom. Okay?
Okay, can you back up out of my face?
You've been warned.
What the hell?
Back
Damn,
up.
we'll
Court
just
martial.
fucking slap him in cuffs.
Can I speak to you outside, sir?
Let me check for you. Stay right here.
Can you hear me?
Johnson's making this too easy. What the fuck?
Children, I'm so sorry you gotta go through this.
I can't believe this.
This judge needs to hurry up.
Don't
How did
touch
someone
me.
like him become a police officer?
Let me ask you.
Nah, the world we're living is corrupt, man.
Yeah,
We get through this.
Because it's the judge.
We didn't do anything. I
You
didn't
didn't. You're
do
perfectly fine.
anything.
You're perfectly fine.
Oh,
You'll be okay.
Alright, what's up? What's up?
You know, do y'all don't mind me asking, do you have parents by any chance?
What's your name?
No, it doesn't matter. He can't answer the door.
My dad
Yes.
was like, take them, take them. He's bad person too.
Yeah, we want another dad. He didn't care. He was just like, oh well, go ahead, take them.
Okay.
Do you want
Hey,
to
let's
be
have
our
a public,
mom?
court
You seem
case.
nice.
I believe so.
I'm not ready to be a
If
mom.
it's not,
Okay, hold on.
I wasn't ready when I became a mom either.
hey, are you a lawyer?
Where's Judge
I
Tony
am,
at?
actually. I'm
Taking care of the
Then you don't
sack
have
of
the right
dough
to
was
tell
really
us.
hard in school.
Because this case confirmed, well, actually involves
And
children,
working on
and usually
Then
children
yes,
and
that's
minors.
a.
Told you I thought it was mechanics.
Did we
Then
just adopt a
tell-
new mommy?
Then tell someone.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody have a seat,
Stop
6 feet
telling
apart,
someone that
okay?
there's an
COVID
act
precautions are
going
being
out.
taken into
Talk to the
effect in this
court case.
courtroom.
Oh, we
No
need
cell
that
phones, no cell phones on display.
Wait,
We'll
we need
confiscate it.
Everyone, come on. Let's
Yeah, I mean,
If
if,
you want to act like
can we
that,
actually
you
put,
can
can we
leave.
actually put masks on? I think we can, right?
Make me.
I need a disposable.
Alright, ladies, calm down, alright?
All right, I'll go.
I can go grab one real quick.
Is there wait? So is there a mask in the
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
Thatcher,
okay.
there's.
I'll go grab one.
Was not mandatory.
Uncuffed you.
Gentlemen, if you ain't gonna be 6 feet apart, you gotta put a mask on.
We live together.
Don't matter.
Ooh,
Court order.
sexy
What about me,
lady.
Mr. Dimmadome? Do I need a mask?
Dang, son.
Well, it's up to the judge. I'm gonna say he's probably gonna want everybody wearing masks.
Oh, it's the bikers that we were trying to get.
Mandatory, so.
That's so funny.
What the fuck
Oh my
are you
gosh.
doing, deputy? Oh,
Deputy. Deputy. Man, you need to get up.
Deputy.
I don't even know where are the masks in this thing.
Drink. Who's
Shut up.
deputy? What I singing?
Yes.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, leaves white as snow. Hanson was so drunk one day, drunk one day, drunk
Hey, wait,
one
hey,
day.
hey,
Hanson worked
Corporal.
in his car in a fire department.
Corporal.
I feel
Hey,
like
Vinny.
I should maybe like
Yo, what's up?
What is that?
Hey, didn't we deal with these kids one
get the
day?
trespass
I've got a
and
good
help them
idea.
out For
I feel like I've seen these kids
know that it was
before.
a fire
I've
station.
definitely
I
seen
feel like we
him
should drop the
before.
trespass.
Yeah, and the female.
I've
Not for
seen.
female. I feel like I've seen them
Please.
before.
Feel like I've seen blonde head. Definitely
Yeah.
seen her, and I've seen that
I'll be the
little
bailiff.
dude.
Yeah.
Okay,
And what was his name
so
again?
Do me a favor. Can judge's orders? Can you
shit,
get
that's
all
one
gallery
long
members
suit
that are not
jacket.
active witnesses or jury
I don't
members
understand
to
people that
please
wear
leave
long
the
suit
courtroom? This
jackets.
is a
Don't
private
make
court
no
case
sense.
involving minors.
I mean, I get like.
All right,
wearing normal
where's the judge at?
jackets,
He
you
said
know,
the judge say that.
trench coats
Yes, the
and-
judge said
Someone
that he
call
is
for a
right in his
lawyer?
office there. He told me to get you
Did someone
to
call
go
for
here,
a
sir.
lawyer?
Yep, right in here, sir.
I
Also,
need
if
a
I
lawyer.
can get all attorneys
Are
from
you
both
recording me?
sides, the judge would like to speak to you.
I
in
got a
his
guy
office.
here needs a lawyer.
How you doing?
What have I?
Hey, you that paramedic?
I am your bailiff
Thanks.
for today. I understand.
Yeah.
Are we having a public?
Can I go watch Judge?
I get that lawyer out here.
Come on.
Lawyer in the weird ass long suit. Get your ass out
You're
here.
lucky I'm getting paid leave for this.
Thank you.
How's it going, guys?
When?
Hi.
Stop singing, goddammit.
How's it going?
Can we get this show on the road, please? We got places
Could
to
be
places to
better.
go, things to do.
I got you. It's going to wait until the judge gets out here. He's
Look,
talking to some
you're the
people.
only officer in here. I wasn't part of this shit. I'm walking out.
Then get out.
Ooh, yeah, then get
funny,
out.
I
You
was
heard the
here
man.
He was part of it. He was the state.
Oh, he was. He was part of it.
No, I wasn't part of shit.
Were you part of it?
No.
Hey, Trooper, get in here.
I gotta stay with I gotta stay with him.
Were you part of it?
I gotta stay with him.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that-
I was
that
technically
really
a part
got
of
up.
all of the
I wasn't
scenes.
part of shit. Hey, someone watch my subject.
Yeah, watch
I'll
his
watch
subject.
him.
I'll watch myself. It's all right. I can do it.
I'll watch myself.
I'll watch him.
Watch my subject.
I mean, I'm
goddammit.
cuffed to a chair. Where do you think I'm gonna go?
He likes singing a
They
lot,
want to
just
make
let
it
you know.
private. I was thinking let them watch it, just,
Did
you know,
everybody else hear
to
that?
watch it. It doesn't
Yeah.
happen often.
Yeah, it
That's
was
That
all.
your
them
mom
in the
screaming
office
upstairs.
whispering.
Okay, that's
Someone walk through the metal detector.
Marietta,
and
little
go
lamb,
off.
little lamb, little. That was out of spot.
Can we hurry up here?
Once you're in here, you're in.
I'll be.
Don't be walking out of the courthouse.
Who, me?
God damn, they look like some Amish people in there. Not gonna lie.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
Oh,
Can
Christmas.
someone
hey,
go
what
duct
in
tape
the
that
hell's
guy's
wrong with
mouth
your
shut?
face? You look like someone just got a chainsaw and shaved off
going
your
on?
whole
Do you
forehead.
have any intent of walking in that
I was
courtroom?
late. There was
I'm
a,
cuffed
there's
to a
a
chair. I can't.
car accident with a snow. I need a rundown. I need a rundown.
Gotta make
Sheriff
chicken.
25, get
Hey,
over here now.
look at this.
I'm here to represent the minors.
God damn, whose big fat belly bitch, petty whacker, son of a bitch is it?
I'm under.
Mister with the red jacket and blue pants and the
That guy
holster. You
needs
gotta go
a-
back outside and
some
lock up your
laxatives or
firearm.
something.
No
Get
firearms
some
allowed in the
of that
courtroom.
shit out.
Yeah, so wait, I'm still in the
Awesome,
still-
I'm waiting for the
What
trooper to
is
give me a
going on?
goddamn tell me what I need to do.
Okay.
Can we start the case, please? I got things to do.
Yeah, you Amish people.
Please hurry up. I gotta go back to being on duty.
Don't get paid to
Then
sit
go.
here and do nothing.
Nah, I was
Actually,
told once
you
I'm in
do.
here, I can't leave.
I have a subject in there waiting.
This guy
to have
killed
another
me.
Court case.
Jesus Christ.
I was a pilot once, pilot once. I crashed into
They actually do get paid to be here. You get a waiver and you get paid for because you have to go to court. You can't say no. You can say no, but only like twice, and you have to go no matter what. You're compelled.
Yeah. This case is dismissed.
All rolled out.
All right.
I think that guy's
What is this session?
Dismissed.
He's cuffed to a chair, so.
Yeah.
This case is dismissed and dismissed. You know.
Yeah, have a seat. Start the session.
Holy shit! What the hell?
Yeah, when is this court case gonna happen?
I gotta check on my
Sir, be
subject real
quiet.
quick.
Be quiet.
Shut up. You're done.
Metal detector keeps going off. People need to.
You good?
Court is adjourned.
I'm a witness.
All right.
Little itchy under the cuff.
What happened to?
Well, you can itch it with your penis, you know.
Stop laughing. It wasn't that funny.
Where did you
Should I
guys'
make this
lawyers
green
go?
zone
Can I have
for
an
this RP?
officer? They go watch the
If
subject,
you want to.
please.
Did anyone shoot? Just make admin zone if you can. I don't know if we can do that anymore.
In the
Hey, this court's adjourned, gentlemen.
What is
Sarah
this?
25, get over here.
Why are there children as the plaintiffs?
What did you
Because
call
they
them?
are the plaintiffs.
What do they do?
You're not my lawyer. I'm telling you.
They
right
got
now.
tased by
You remind
cops
me of my
illegally.
old fat
This is a
grandpa.
shit show.
Well, and that's their problem.
It's
I'm
the
out.
cops' problem.
Oh, are
Yeah,
they suing
I'm
them?
All right, let's start.
Yeah.
Oh, so they're the. Oh, yeah, okay.
No, they're the plaintiffs.
Sir, why are you?
Yeah. That's what. Yeah, I was just, I've watched a lot of.
Let me go ahead and watch. Ripley, you wanna
I watched.
get on the side? Give me a sec.
I watched a
Wanna
lot
watch
of
Shut up,
something?
you old
so.
fat woman. Wait,
Is this
what?
the officer that's being tried?
It's me and that sheriff deputy that was twerking.
All right, I'm
If listen, Krish.
Shut
Shut up.
You
Go
don't
away,
wanna
kid.
please. Guys,
kid.
listen, I'm serious. If you don't
I'm
wanna
gonna be
RP
representing you
here,
as a
go ahead and
lawyer.
leave. This is a
Okay,
court
that's fine.
case. Go ahead and leave this place.
Guy in blue
No,
shirt,
what
leave.
we got a hey,
Guy in blue
we got a
shirt, leave.
lawyer. We're good. We got a lawyer.
I'm your lawyer.
5-1. The judge said we're good to go.
If people don't listen, go ahead and throw them out, okay? And I'll type in the chat that they have to stay away from the
here
RP.
too. So
Yeah.
Where'd the other lawyer go?
You're the father. Good parenting, bro.
Yeah.
Timmy. Timmy.
Dad, you left us. We don't want you anymore. Go away
See, a
from
guy
us.
I
that's
didn't
really
leave you guys.
trans.
No, you did. We have nothing to do with
I had
you,
work.
Dad.
I said are trans.
No,
I
leave
had,
Oh
us.
my
I
God,
had to
bro.
go to work, okay?
What if they're
Are
not?
you a part of
She's
this
the
case? Are
lady
you a part of
who's
this case?
helping us.
I don't know pronouns. I don't know pronouns.
How's it going, you guys?
I'll help you too, son.
Sheriff Alva.
Can
Dad,
you get off this
leave
floor?
I
Then?
gotta
Can
go
you go to
back in
the
here.
can you go to the
Sit tight.
watching seats?
I did not leave you.
And this is a private court case. This is a private court case.
Be on
So are you
yourself.
part of this? Oh, you're a bailiff. Okay.
Guys, let's not fight. I don't want any fighting over here. It's a
All right, can I get
peaceful
all the
RP. Let's
officers
do
that are
that.
being tried over here? Can I get all the officers that are being
Don't
tried
talk to
over
my
this
kid like
over here?
that.
We need to have a little rundown.
Check out. Shush.
Where's the other officer that's being tried?
That's Mr. Sierra 25 right there in the deputy shirt with a beard and looking like an old man.
How? What is this?
On the right.
Oh, sorry.
This guy?
Yeah, the
But
Mexican.
it just please.
This one right
Oh, you're racist.
Yeah.
I'm a representative.
Man,
that's
he's
gonna
just
be overseeing
profiling you,
and,
not racially
the
profiling you.
supervisor for now.
He's just giving descriptions.
Please, we already have a lawyer.
All right,
We
so
do have a
hey, do you guys
lawyer.
want to go to private room for a minute so we can talk about what's going on and give you the rundown? I got some ideas.
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah,
testing
sure.
for my bar test.
All right,
This is
follow me.
this is the.
Wait, can I get an officer to go with my subject, please? He's out there. Oh, wait, never mind.
So who's this guy? Is he
All right, you ready,
What's
Sheriff?
going
Let's
on?
go. Sheriff, we're gonna have a rundown. Let's go.
I'm
There
their
it is.
dad.
But not
Yeah,
you,
you're
the
also
guy
being
that
asked
the
to sit
other
over
guy in the
there
suit.
too.
Oh. Sir,
Is the
you're
other guy in the
egghead.
suit is like the lawyer, or is he just interrupting?
I've done my job wrong.
He's not a lawyer, but the father, if he can just move back so the kids can sit here.
Oh yeah, Father, you have to
Yeah,
go
a
sit
little
on the
bit.
benches.
Never really worked.
May I have your guys' attention, please?
Back
I
with
need
me,
all
right?
attorneys that are actively in this courtroom. I need you in the judge's office.
I'm gonna die,
Who are you?
Mary had a little lamb and I
Criminal.
gonna
Excuse me?
Oh.
Oh,
No, not you. I was talking to the man.
okay. Yeah, he needs us in the office. Children, if you guys can just sit directly behind us, if you may. Deputy and man in
Super,
the
I
suit.
really need to use the bathroom.
Can you guys just move back one more row, please? If we can possibly have the
The,
children
the
right
person
behind
in
us, that would be
the
nice.
suit with the red tie is the father.
I don't want to
father?
be with my father.
Okay.
He left
I
us.
think it
Deputy,
would
can you
be,
take him back to
I
the
never
next
left
seat,
you.
please, and keep tabs on
Yeah.
him?
So you're gonna have to sit back next to me behind me, right?
Okay, listen, we're gonna be right in front of you the entire time, okay? So,
This court
you guys are
sucks.
gonna sit here in the front row. Okay, we need to go to the judge's office. Bailiff, has the public members of the public gallery been removed?
Yes.
I am
Start yelling again. All right, cool. Yeah.
Shay!
So basically, if anyone starts acting up, we're gonna remove them.
Shay Peters!
It's gotta be quiet.
I'm actually gonna stop this every single
I'm trying to
time.
think. When the judge comes in, we're gonna have to address.
I can't tell who's talking. The blue isn't popping up.
I need to go.
I can tell.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to figure out, you want to stand in front of the room, back of the room.
I'll just stand right.
They're probably not gonna go. They might not.
All right. I'll stand over. You guys are probably stand by the back door here.
Can I change my character for a second so that I can tell
Yeah.
everyone?
Yeah.
Hello?
Puff your chest.
Guys, listen up nicely. If you don't actually be civil here, you keep on commenting. We are damn serious. We are actually doing something peaceful, RP. Guys, I'm out of character right now. So yes, if
Okay.
you guys are not serious about anything, then please leave this place. We're actually doing something serious.
Yeah.
If you don't want to be part of something, feel free to leave. No one is actually stopping you and making you sit here.
Laptop. Let's search porn.
Alrighty.
Why is this man on his phone?
And we do have eyes on every single person. Whoever messes here, We're actually saying that we're gonna take action against each one of that person. First, we're gonna give a warning, kick, temporary ban, permaban, depends on what you're doing. So keep on stacking those charges if you don't stop doing
What is it?
what you're doing.
Like Ben, what?
Just let
What's
the
the
trooper know.
command?
Let go.
Bun Ben or whatever.
This that guy
You
man
want to do
behind us.
earlier?
I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot him.
Like the emote, the Ben bun. Or...
Something want to do earlier?
It's the guy that was in
I'm
cuffs.
trying to type on a computer, dumbass.
Oh well.
Nice to know. It's perfect to hear.
Oh yeah.
In regard to a minor, I feel like they should have a little bit of privacy.
Hi, Vinny.
From this.
What's up?
Something that can affect their whole life, and I'm prosecuting.
There's some
them
good
as
shit
a
on this
citizen
laptop.
out of the goodness
Hey,
of my
can
heart.
one of y'all officers look at my
Feel like it
subject,
should be a
or is there
private
some
matter.
someone
And as you can
with
hear
my
out there, there's a
subject?
lot of commotion.
I don't know.
It's gonna get all tense.
The
in there.
subject's
It's gonna get
sitting in
heated.
his
People are
seat
gonna
back
get
there
frustrated.
Oh,
at the
he's gone.
door. He's gone.
I dismissed him, trooper.
Why?
I dismissed him. Why? Because you're currently being held in a criminal court case, so you have no right to arrest somebody. That's why.
Yeah, I do.
No, your LER rights are stripped of you guys right now because you're in a criminal court case.
Okay, well I wasn't in the first place, but you know, I just got brought
And
into it.
Body cams.
I'm not even.
Oh, okay.
But okay.
If
just
Shay
that
don't
saved me
wanna be
from
part
filing a
of the
report.
RP, he can leave. Let him go. It doesn't matter. Betty Johnson is here, and that is good enough for us to
We
continue
got
the
some
RP.
fake security guards over here.
Court case.
Am I clear to go to my
Yeah, you only wish.
clients?
You just mad you can't have a black shirt like him.
All right, who's
Actually, I don't.
jury? Who's the jury in here?
They're in the room.
People over
having a
there,
call.
Okay,
they
so we
are
actually have people
jury.
that are jurors.
I don't even know.
Kids being them impulsive.
Wow, there's a jury.
Sorry to give you a wrong answer.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, so this is gonna be a private meeting now. So you guys should
Private meeting.
You can't be
Well,
sweet.
I think your friend
sir.
just wants to have everyone in here, but if people act up, they'll be
Okay.
held responsible
How's it
for their
going?
actions.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yes. Do you need something? Oh, you just. Okay.
Man, we're
Sounds
holding
good.
hands. This is getting
Officer,
kind of
you're
weird.
very
You
close.
wanna hold mine?
Oh, no.
Hey, you guys are in my seat. You guys need to move over.
Man, I like my laptop.
You don't
I'm
get a
Kids
seat.
seeing
need
some good
anything,
stuff.
water, anything like that?
No, I'm supposed to be on the laptop,
No.
mister. Scoot over.
Yeah, good.
Dip
You
down.
got a
Get us some-
laptop
get
right
up.
there.
Go, Marshall.
Scoot.
I'll take some water.
Scoot.
Who said that?
Where'd Doug Dimmadome go?
You said you
This
wanted
is
water?
25. You want to come up right
I'll
here?
take a water.
Where did
Excuse
this
me,
come
Mr.
from?
Honey bun.
I'll take a water, please.
We're taking forever to get this thing started.
There's Doug Dimmadome.
My bad.
What is that?
Yo,
All right,
Mr.
that stuff ain't gonna be
Dimmadome.
tolerated anymore. If it happens again, I don't
We
care
don't
if it's an
know.
accident or not.
There you
Hey,
go.
fucking bitch.
I'll take water,
Stop
officer.
punching.
I
Yeah,
didn't
well,
punch.
they only have water for the people that are directly involved with the court case.
I'm the
So that's what
father.
we call it a
Yeah,
failed.
but you're not directly
That's
involved.
what we call it a failed lawyer right there. Bailiff.
You know what they call that? Magical
Should brought
tears.
water.
Well,
Musical
I mean,
tears. I'm sorry.
the armrest is like inside of you, man. How the
I don't
hell
feel
did you do
anything.
that?
He likes it when it's inside of him.
Shay,
Oh,
shut
I'm
up.
sure.
Yeah,
Hey,
I'll listen.
hey, hold on.
I'm
happens when we go
Assistant
off
District
duty,
Attorney.
man.
I'm with you guys.
Oh, okay. Yep.
I'm just wearing
Uh,
his uniform to
Hey,
make
you
me
mind
look cool.
running me down real quick? I just got
The
subbed
case
into
started
here.
like 20 minutes ago.
Um,
What are you doing?
He's a deputy. I'm a
our
trooper.
for
I
starters,
rule.
we
I'm sitting on his leg.
prosecute and law enforcement officers for
Yeah, I do.
uh,
You tan
dis-
uniform bitches.
misconduct
Yeah,
Wanna
you
get a
and
room? Wanna get a room after this?
motherfuckers.
police
Stupid
brutality and stuff
motherfuckers.
like that. So the kids behind us are going to be our primary
Shut
witnesses.
up.
Yeah, let's keep it professional.
And then the deputy over there to our right, the Bravo Mike.
Thanks, man. Thanks
There
for
we have a
talking.
witness, another deputy back on the second row
son
from
of a
us.
bitch.
That is a witness to his misconduct in the courtroom when we entered. In the back row, we also have the father.
Sorry, I was
And
typing
I'm sorry,
on the
Trooper,
computer.
who are you exactly?
Who keeps playing that?
Trooper in the back
It's a
row.
hot
He's
key.
just a
I'm
trooper.
funny.
What are
Okay,
you
can
talking
we
about?
not
Who
have
played
him
that?
I
in
mean,
Who
the
played
courtroom?
the
Move,
drum
trooper.
noise?
This is getting weird, guys.
Excuse me.
Trooper,
Are you talking
Yes.
about bongos?
I think he's in his head.
Not bailiff. Sorry.
So,
Where's the bailiff?
what was the brutality that happened to the children?
Well, the
Um,
male
just,
child
See, the sheriff has his
was
gun on him. He's got a
hit
big
off
don't
of
know
his
how to
bike,
remove it.
That's not his gun.
and the
That's not his gun,
female
never
was
mind.
tased
I got
multiple
my
I'm
times.
glad you felt it. We get a room
We're
later.
winning.
Shut
So
up.
pretty much, yeah, the
Hey
male
man,
was
we
hit
can't
off of his
Deputy,
have
can
bike
you
with
do
a
something
vehicle.
about
You
the
know what I
stripper?
mean?
He's
I
not
got
having
my
us
BB
get
Kind of
gun.
against
That's
the
about
So
it.
trooper,
Are
yeah,
you
trooper, you're gonna have
are you
to
part
get
of the
up and
jury,
go.
sir?
Actually, it's
He's
not.
in his
If
head.
you don't go all through.
I thought it was.
Sergeant Verkte, that's
Yeah, be
your
mindful.
What
I'll let
was
him know.
that?
Can I get a
Whoa.
bailiff, please?
Sounds like someone's doing something in the office over there. Let's go catch him.
Maybe I will. Once he gets
Stop
back.
doing that. Jesus
Stop talking
Christ.
to us.
Okay, so the
Wait, what's going on?
Someone's
Trooper, you gotta
whispering
get
over
up and
here.
go to the other side of the court.
Are you my brother?
Needs to be removed.
Oh.
He's on
Whoa.
his head.
On the far right.
No, he just came back.
She said
Uh,
maybe. That's kind of sus.
Trooper, you need to
Or-
move.
It's kind of sus. Huh? Why am I not in the
what
chair?
reason? I'm just
Alright,
here listening.
You need
this
to
is
move.
One and up.
this is just for people that are
Casey,
He's probably just waiting on his
dismissed.
case.
Okay.
being possibly brought up in the court stage.
Hey, Trooper, are you directly involved with the case?
No, he's not.
I'm just here
Y'all got
listening.
an extra chair
Okay,
that
well, I'm being
dismantles
asked. I'm being told to remove you from the courtroom.
I didn't ask for
No. No.
Not from the
Okay.
not from the
Okay, well,
courtroom.
that's-
Just
Who's
just
the
from this.
who's the guy with the magical number of sticks above his head?
Just from this row.
Nope.
From the row? You want?
Am
Oh,
I
from the
supposed
row.
to?
You have
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This court is now in session. Honorable.
Christ.
You got you. No, you guys are good. I don't know who was asking.
Looks like we have a dumbass in the front.
Come on,
Sorry, what you
fucking
said.
This court
damn.
is now in session. I'm a judge
He's got a
Romano
hockey puck on
presiding.
his head.
No cell phone
Who's
will
the
be shown in
ballot
this
from
courtroom. If it
Josh?
is, it's be confiscated. You'll be escorted out.
Rise at these
No
laptops.
firearms are allowed. Any acting up, you'll be escorted out and taken out of the courtroom and not allowed back in until this court is out of session. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They're
sir.
there.
You may all be
I
seated.
think fire alarms are going off.
No, that's metal detectors because people keep on deciding to walk through them.
I guess.
Sorry.
Bailiff.
Yes.
Judge is calling you bailiff.
Oh.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm just gonna step down and speak to you for a moment.
We got a whole biker gang. Let's go, boys.
All right, I'm ready. Statement.
Alright.
Yep.
I know your friend.
Once ready.
Anybody that, you know.
Yeah, government authorities telling to.
You're gonna like this girl.
Could you imagine that? It's just
Got a check. It's fine.
What do we need a judge for then, right? What's a ruling when you need it, huh?
It just becomes a fucking
First
riot
line,
outside
though.
because of it.
Okay, you all may be seated.
I'll have a seat.
I've been sitting.
You gonna give me the case information there, bailiff, or I'm gonna be in the dark here?
I can hear him. Don't stick it in.
What's the who's who? People
Hey.
versus who?
Do not stick it in. I swear to God.
I believe this bailiff.
Hey,
Guys,
yell
I'm gonna
louder,
ask-
Judge.
I'm gonna
Sir,
ask
I
you guys to
cannot
quit
hear
talking.
him.
Pertaining to
I'm
the
gonna
case.
quit asking, or I'm gonna ask
What's
you
that?
guys
I
to quit
can't
talking.
hear
He's
him.
asking.
Okay, we'll
He
get
needs
straight
the
down to
papers
business.
related to the
Defense,
case.
how do you plead?
Okay.
I can't hear you.
Not guilty.
Not guilty then.
Not
Okay,
guilty.
The defense pleads not guilty. Prosecution, you may begin, I guess.
I'll be back. I gotta take a shit.
She's got a bad.
They are over there whispering about her.
Thank you.
Max whispering.
You're welcome.
Anyways, the people who protect, people who are to protect and serve us, the people who are supposed to be our friends, the people who are supposed to be our defenders in time of need, the people who are supposed our help when needed.
So it's to my understanding, both the trooper and the deputy are being charged with the same crime of excessive use of force.
Also,
Quit talking.
If it's okay with you,
You're gonna have to repeat what I said. What you said, I didn't hear you.
I said, is it okay if I keep going? You interrupted me.
Get out.
Okay.
Don't interrupt.
Oh, I
the court.
apologize. Continue.
The people who are supposed to protect and serve us. As once said a wise person, do not assume the worst in people, but take into consideration what's going on in their life and what's going on with them as a person, as a human being. In this case, these officers acted out of impulse and out of out of assumption, not out of facts or evidence. They proceeded to be reckless and proceeded to not listen or be patient enough to take the time to listen or understand what was going on with the kids at the time of what they did. All those officers acted out of assumption and not out of facts, which tolerated.
I'm gonna message you. Hold on.
I understand. Do you have anything further?
No, I do not.
You may be seated. Defense, do you have any opening remarks? Defense, do you have any opening remarks?
Hold on.
Make sure you're shouting.
Give a second. Hold on.
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out my life. Wait.
The defense is stating to hold on.
The defense is stating to hold on. So they had all this time to prepare a case, and I'm sitting here holding on.
Where are they going?
You tell me, Mr. Attorney. I don't know what's exactly going on here.
I can't hear you, Honor.
Can we step up here to listen to you?
You can step forward. Yeah, you have to step forward. You're a little farther.
So the miners did steal like equipment from the cop vehicle. The officers are saying they stole the vehicle, which is grand theft auto. They already have theft on them. They went to a bar, which is drinking underage, and then they went to go drive again in the car, which is a DUI. And they were breaking the police, which is breaking a lawful order. I don't see a problem why they tased them, because they kept running. How are you going to stop them? What are you going to do? Just tell them stop and they keep going? I don't understand
Wow, Randy. I understand. Do you have anything else?
No.
You may be seated. Prosecution, you can go ahead and start with your first piece of evidence.
Alrighty.
We're going to win this. Don't worry. We got this. I'm so confused.
Your first piece of evidence, prosecution.
They don't have any.
Oh my god, they actually have that.
What the hell?
You would direct your attention to the screen.
We can do that?
All right, we will attention. Bailiff, could you? Perfect.
We don't have the evidence.
All right, if everyone would quiet down, please, so we can play the video and watch what occurred.
Shit. Fuck. Wrong room. Bad room.
Fuck, we're gonna lose this.
So, evidence number one, a officer has tased a 12-year-old lady, correction, a 12-year-old girl off of their bike. Now, this is evidence number two, which...
Your objection sustained.
What corresponding evidence does this have to do with the case of them running and vandalizing a police car while stealing one?
Prosecute. You're gonna have to repeat yourself. Prosecution. What'd you say?
I said, what evidence of the officer tasing said suspect off the bicycle does it have to go with how they stole a police cruiser, possibly endangering others' lives, along with the firearm said inside the vehicle?
Well, it's at this point.
While being intoxicated too.
Your Honor, his objection does not make sense. We are simply...
Okay, let's hold on a minute.
That's professional.
The evidence is in regards to the officers being charged with excessive use of force.
Yes.
My bad. My bad.
Let's continue with the evidence.
Kids are lucky they didn't get shot with the firearms in the vehicle.
Okay. Could we get that back up on the screen, please?
Still up there.
Oh, not on my eyes. I think it may need to be reset.
It may need to be reset on. I don't see it either on my eyes.
I don't see any sunglasses.
Okay, there it is. So this shall be known as evidence number 01, and this is a video of our female victim that has been taken. Okay, hold on. Let's go ahead and pause this. This is going way too fast. Can we get this pause, please? Let's go ahead and pause it where the female is tased off of the bicycle. Right
Why
here.
is the frame rate so low on the video? How do we know that's what actually
I
happened? How
can't
do we know
do
within
that,
that one frame that
unfortunately.
the girl didn't just fall off her bike instead?
Okay, as I forget who actually said it. As of I believe a few minutes ago, the video was posted for you all to see in these specific video channels. Okay, DA, if you would like to present.
Can you show
All of our
picture
low frame rates
one
will be
by one?
confiscated, so we cannot see that. So
I can't.
essentially, this low frame
I
rate
put
video
it on
is
repeat, but I will put it in the video
Alright,
chat section.
Like we said in our opening statement, this is uncalled for. I
told you I'm good.
They are simply children, and as you can see from the video, the little girl's tased off her bicycle. Once she hits the ground, she is tased 5 more times. Right, that's too hard to believe for officers that have taken training, been through an oath, been through FTO programs, and as you can see right now playing, the boy is hit off his
Objection.
bike by a car.
You said taken by an oath. Their oath is to
Overruled.
stop crime, is what they did.
Overruled. The attorney, if you speak out of turn again, I will hold you in contempt. Allow the
It is unacceptable.
Allow the prosecution to finish, and I will give you a chance to speak.
It is unacceptable that these officers are performing their duties in this behavior type of way, and I call for action against them.
Defense, do you have any remarks?
Judge, I would also like to bring it to your attention that each taser shot has about 50 kilovolts. And remember, they were tased 5 times. If you do the math, you can see how much electricity was given to a child who is barely a teenager.
Defense, do you have any remarks?
Yes, Your Honor. In said video, if you slow it down and look at the evidence, you can see that the officers are on foot, said after suspect, which is failure to comply at said point, and a taser is deployed as a non-lethal use of force to prevent the escape of the suspect, is stolen and vandalized a police car.
What about hitting you, though?
Justified use of force. Along with your remark against the volts, there's a big difference between your volts and your amps. Your volts aren't necessarily what will kill you, it's more your amps. And the amps are very low in it. That is all I have, Your Honor.
Prosecution, do you have any remarks?
Yes, sir, I do.
You may proceed.
As a, correct me if I'm wrong, law enforcement, but the taser that you guys are, what is it called? I guess more or less given and assigned for your patrol duties is an X26 taser. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So an X26 taser is considered to be a less than lethal option, not a non-lethal option, because it has been proven in many cases before this that a taser can and has been used as a lethal weapon and can cause heart malfunctions and heart attacks on certain occasions. So that's what I would like to bring to the court, Your Honor. We have a 12-year-old girl actively standing behind us that is lucky to be alive. She is not fully grown and her body is not completely developed as of this time, and she has been tased multiple times, in fact, more times than any usual apprehension within local law enforcement. With that being said, a less than lethal weapon is not guaranteed to kill a person. I do understand. However, there is a chance. So when you are tasing somebody actively on the ground, she had the chance of dying.
Defense.
I would also like to
there
add
is a
one more thing.
there is a
Let them finish.
Prosecution, go ahead, please. just when I say defense, I prefer that allow the defense to speak and add on later. But you may continue prosecution before the defense. Finish up your statement.
As you can see in the video, which was just shown to us, our victim was tased 5 times, right? No weapon or anything was shown or displayed by our victim. So I find it hard to believe that a 12-year-old female was tased 5 times over not anything really. They didn't have a weapon that they were displaying. They were not actively engaging with the officers, nor were they harming the officers in any way. And this is a 12-year-old girl who could have been picked up right. It's not like the bike had seatbelt or anything restraining them from picking up the officers picking up the child. They were, are well capable. They all look very muscular and look very well capable to pick up a 90-pound, girl off a bike instead of tasing my victim 5 times.
Do you have anything else, prosecution?
DA, would you like to speak?
I'll go up there.
Actually,
We're defense.
let's not put aside the fact that a 12-year-old boy was hit off of his bicycle by a vehicle driven by an officer.
That'll be noted.
7.5, correction. My apologies.
That will be noted. Defense, you may approach.
I have 3 statements to make, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Number 1. So, as I had previously said, I will correct my statement. Is a less than lethal, not a non-lethal. I apologize for that as a false statement. On that note, the amperage, which is what usually kills a person, is 0.0021% in an X26 taser, which is not enough to stop somebody's heart, unless there's prior heart
Objection,
conditions.
Your
Now,
Honor.
I believe...
Overruled. Continue defense.
Now, I believe that a child has a very healthy heart. Am I wrong, Your Honor?
I am not an expert in the matter. I can't comment on that.
Okay. Further proof. So the voltage within a taser, yes, is 50,000 volts, but that voltage is running through your muscular system, which is locking up your muscular system. Therefore, yes, you can die from being tased multiple times, but it would have to be cycled over and over and over and over again, which in the video that is presented, it is not showing. It is showing the suspect being tased once, and no one else, and no other taser activations are activated set after that point in the video. So how do we know that they're not just, quote unquote, making this up so that they can have a further point?
Agreed, Your Honor. And when they say no weapon was shown, so taser should not have been deployed, if there was a weapon shown, then they could have been shot. The taser was deployed to stop them, hence why he said it stops the muscular system.
What
hence
weapon?
Why they can't move anymore. So if there were, it doesn't have to be a weapon shown for a taser to be deployed. It is simply to stop the criminal. That's why the taser is there. And it made it so much more easier. As you can see, the officers were struggling, even as you guys said, muscular people. They were struggling, still apprehending the child. So I don't see a problem with the tasers.
I understand. Do you have any further remarks, defense?
And they could have had a weapon in it. They were in a patrol vehicle that has an AR-15 and a shotgun. Correct?
I believe so. Yes.
Objection.
I believe so. Sustained. Go ahead, prosecution.
They're claiming that the patrol vehicles have a rifle and a shotgun within the vehicle. Yes, that is true.
Can we go back to the fact that the evidence shows us not even near them?
We're allowing the prosecution to speak first. You will have your.
Your Honor, I motion to have him held in contempt. We are attempting to speak and have a statement, and they are continuously interrupting us.
I'll hold on that motion for a moment. Please continue. I will say, I will remark, if the defense speaks out of turn again, you will be held in contempt, deputy. Go ahead.
With some prior law enforcement experience myself, all the rifles or weaponry inside of the vehicles, as stored inside the vehicle, are locked with very advanced technology that not a common citizen, even a child, would know. So that claim they're making that yes, there is rifles and shotguns in the vehicle, that could not have been used, and it was not used at all. That's it for me. Anyone else?
I would also like to add on. He stated that a child's heart is very healthy, but I believe it's also not well developed. A 12-year-old barely teenager should not be tased with a weapon that basically restrains them from being able to properly move their muscles. Muscles are not meant to be, put strained on. They're supposed to be here to help the body and be able to support the body. Our defendant, our victim is not even 12 years old. It's not even a teenager yet. So I don't think that at all, that it was okay for the taser to be used in any way, shape, or form. And like my colleague said, if a weapon was to be present, it would have been shown as it would have not been a small weapon. It would have been a pretty big, right? An AR-15 is a rifle, which means it would have been showing somewhere on my person, on the victim's person. The backpack couldn't have fit that weapon. If you look back in the evidence, you can see that the backpack is smaller than than an AR-15 would be.
Allow me to stop you. We're getting a little off track. I'll circle back to the defense so that they may finish their statement in regards to the taser and the AR inside of the vehicle. You to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead. Continue.
Okay. So while yes, you're right, we could play what ifs all day with what if they did this, what if they did that. The factor is not what if; it's the fact what would have said if that happened and the tasers were deployed, because A, they legally obtained spike strips stealing from, a law enforcement vehicle, which is also a crime, and the officer, if you look at the piece of evidence, it shows the state charger hitting the kid off the bike, which is not my client in the BCSO out uniform there. He was not driving a state charger at the time because he works for the Blaine County Sheriff's Office. So those remarks and someone hitting him off do not have nothing to do with my client and everything to do with the State Department.
What about the state trooper that's sitting behind you as well? Was he operating that charger?
Negative, Your Honor.
Okay, so that trooper will be tried, I'm assuming, at a later date due to being out of state, I'm guessing, unavailable?
Yes.
Okay, I
Yes,
figured as much. I
And
just
also,
wanted to clear that up. Go
I
ahead.
have one thing to add on to the
So
tasers.
therefore, sorry, one thing. Therefore, I
No, you
believe
can go.
that piece of evidence is no longer valid due to it has nothing to do with the client.
Objection, Your Honor, on grounds of speculation.
Denied.
Sustained. Continue.
Your Honor, as the videos have shown and the victims are behind me, they still were, well, so correction, the male, the male actually was hit off of his bike. That is not just going to go away by the snap of a finger. That evidence is still within this courtroom, and the victim is also here to confirm that he was indeed knocked off of his bike.
Yes, but I'm inclined to rule on the defense's side to suppress the evidence due to the fact that neither the deputy or the trooper currently present on trial for the excessive force charge was operating that charger. Therefore, it doesn't have much sense to include it within this trial due to we're focusing on a taser. Now, unless you have a reason or any sort of logical reasoning to wrap it towards this case that the charger is involved with this, then I could understand. But until you can provide that to me, I'm inclined to rule towards the defense to suppress that evidence.
I think that this should be put in this case because this officer over there, who was driving the vehicle, don't they go through a driving course? Shouldn't they be, taught to not hit 7-year-old kids?
Well, we can discuss
Objection,
this
Your
all
Honor.
day, but as the defense stated, neither the deputy nor the trooper were operating that charger. They did not hit the child that was on its bike. So unless you're able to wrap that evidence back towards this to somehow involve the deputy or the trooper with this, I'm in.
Did everyone stop talking? What's happening?
I think his mic is bugging out.
Oh, okay.
It's given by the department, right? I'm guessing the vehicles that they drive is given by the department.
What the? Oh god.
Can you hear them? I don't hear them.
I was gonna say I can't.
That's a first.
Oh. Yeah, you got DC. Two people
Yes.
got DC. I'm back.
Yep.
Oh, I got DC too.